Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my trading journey. Today, we're going to talk about the simple notion of trading and more specifically support and resistance. So here we see we have a chart of Ethereum USDT, and we're going to show how to identify key areas in the market and then how to take advantage of it. So here we can see that this has been consolidating for about a day in this area. So it looks like the price has been holding up, and we could put our support either here or here. I like to put it where there is the low. I use the lines from TradingView. I think this is really more convenient. But of course, you're also able to use some boxes if that's what is your preference. For me, I feel like lines are just clearer and more straightforward. So we can identify a second area of consolidation here, and that could be our second zone of interest. We will be very careful to see what the price did at this time. And if we go just a little bit more back in time, we can see that the price has been kind of ranging and bouncing back between those two areas. So we could just put another line here. Um, so now I am usually trading in 5 minutes, and this is the 1 hour chart. What I do is I identify the supports in a time frame that's at least two times bigger than the other time frame that I will be trading in. So what I mean by two times is usually in trading there is 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and then 1 hour. So we don't really use that much the 30 or 45 minutes. So we can then zoom in a bit to see if our support areas are accurate. And here, despite these little fake outs, this looks like the price is still pretty okay. And here the same. We are in the middle of that consolidation zone, so I think this should be fine. And now we are going to see the 5 minutes, and let's just look for some kind of signal. So a signal could be either a big bullish candlestick pattern and some kind of confirmation. We will also check if there is a retest of that support and see if we can find some entry. I also like to add in the stochastic RSI. So to do that, you can simply type stochastic or just stock RSI in here, and this is one of the trading view built-in. So I just added this as favorites, and you can do the same. So now here we have this beautiful stochastic RSI, and let me just make it bigger to explain. This is basically to confirm what we see. So we can see here it's going down, which means that the market is at the moment selling, and once it reaches that other line below 20 level, it means that it's oversold, and above this line it means it's overbought. So we want to use this as a confirmation when we see our entry signal. And here we are seeing that there is a big reaction. We have retested that support, remember the 1 hour support, and we have had a big candle to engulf this. Now, aggressive way would be to go in here, but I would be safer and just wait for a couple more candles to see if we're actually going to move or if there's going to be if we're going to break that support and keep going late a bit lower. So we see there is now a retest of that support, and let's see what the price will do. Okay, so now there is a second bullish candle out of this support, but the market is still in a structure that didn't form a higher low. So I will wait that we break this little high just to be certain that this is not going to go any lower. And we see now we are almost breaking this support, but it's going back up to it. So let's see what it does. Okay, and now here we have changed the structure of the market, created a lower high, and now a higher low, higher high. Sorry. So this would be my confirmation. Although we are a little bit high in the RSI, but if we go to the 15-minute time frame, we can see that yes, we are actually totally fine. We are more on the way to from oversold. So I would say that this is reasonable, and then we can enter now on the little retest and just target the next zone that we saw. Of course, this could take some time before we reach this, but now we have a really nice 2.9 risk to reward ratio. So let's see how this plays out. And it's going there. Usually what I do, oh, okay, this hit just smashed the target. But usually what I would do on a live setting is that once it reaches about 1 to 1 risk to reward, I would at least move my stop loss to break even, meaning that this trade would be risk free and that we would be safe. So here, there you go. The price completely smashes our profit target, and this would be a nice 3% on the account, which is really nice. So that's it for the first video of this channel. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and follow for more.